Why, hello there. It's Corey, the aspiring solutions architect for AWS. I discovered something when I was streaming with Scott the other day or last week that I find interesting, and it is that if you ever have the incident like I had, and you drop your phone and crack it, and then you get your phone replaced and you forget that your Authenticator app was on the phone that you sent back, but they sent you a replacement phone. It doesn't have your authenticator. So you're streaming with your brother and you're trying to show him something, but you can't get into the console because there's no authenticator. So what do you do other than just be sad? Well, what I did is I went to sign into the console with the root user here. So you've lost your authenticator is the point, because remember what happened was this. So you go, what can I do? Because I thought I'd have to call AWS tech support, but they saw me coming last time. So the second part here is what we're here for today, and it's to sign in using alternative factors of authentication. If your multi-factor authentication device is lost, damaged, or not working, which is the case for me, it was damaged and lost because I got a replacement phone, you can sign in using alternative factors of authentication. You must verify your identity using the email and phone registered with the account. So I say sign in, troubleshoot MFA, sign in using alternative factors. Okay, SYBX38. Capture is entered incorrectly. This is why I don't like these things, because some of the lines are subject to interpretation. Okay, so what happens is that I got the password right. I didn't have to change my password. So to authenticate my account by verifying the email address, you will receive an email at the following address, which will include instructions to verify my identity. Okay, great. So I'll send a verification email. Email sent. Okay. I'm just going to close these up, and then just do open my Gmail, but I verify my email address. This link expires in 15 minutes. Okay. So the second thing that happens is they do a phone number verification. AWS will place a voice call to the phone number ending in. After you choose the call me now, AWS will show you a 6-digit code that you must enter by using your phone's keypad. Okay, so I ask it to call me now. My phone will start ringing in any second now. Okay, here it goes.
Receiving this call from Amazon Web Services. Please enter the PIN to verify your phone number.
Okay, so I just have to enter what it says on the screen there, which is 378152. And you have to remember to press pound or it won't work. That's the number sign.
Verification was successful. Thank you.
All right, now it tells me sign into the console. And without going into my authenticator, I'm in my root account. And that's how simple it is to get back into your account. So it's very important that you give an email, a phone number, and make it accurate when you sign in case you use your Authenticator app. And if you're going to be using AWS, definitely get used to using multi-factor authentication. It's super important. And that's all of my information for today. We felt that was important to do. So anyway, if you were locked out, I hope this helped, and thank you for watching, and I guess now it's time to celebrate. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked what you saw and we helped you in any way. Goodbye.